Professor, I have a question from chapter 39, verse 43.
39?
Chapter 39, verse 43.
Right. Got it?
I asked him before. It's verse number 43 from Surah Az-Zumar. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Allahu yatawaffal anfusa hina mawtiha wallati lam tamut fi manamiha fayumsiku allati qada 'alayha al-mauta wa yursilu al-ukhra ila ajalin musamma. Inna fi zalika laayatin liqaumin yatafakkarun. Allah takes away the souls of men at the time of their death, and of those also that are not yet dead during their sleep, and then He withholds those against which He has decreed death, and sends back the others till an appointed term. In that surely are signs for a people who reflect.
Also, is it possible in the verse related to Hadr Isa, one read with this verse, to invert that Hadr Isa could be in a state of manam?
So then he is in a state of manam, but he has not risen to heaven.
Somewhere.
Then look for him where he has gone to sleep. This is meaningless. This verse does not serve any purpose for the advantage of the mullahs who believe Isa alayhi salam to be alive in heaven. And when they use this verse, they use it against their own conviction. They know that he is not asleep. They know that God did not put him to sleep, but withdrew him to the heaven to save him from the clutches of the Roman law enforcing agencies and the Jewish people, of course. So how can they draw the same meaning, infer the same meaning from this verse? Either Jesus is dead, according to this verse, or he has to be asleep. So instead of removing him from the place of danger, God further made him incapable of defending himself. A man who is not asleep could run away. But a man who has fallen asleep at the time of danger offers himself as a sitting duck for anybody to shoot him. This meaningless, this purposeless. It only means that the wafat takes place in two ways. Either in the form of death or in the form of sleep. That's all. So it proves no other, it serves no other purpose than this simple statement that man is the subject of tawafa either in sleep or in death. That's all. Right? Jazakumullah. With that, we come to the end of this session. And also I must say that from now on, when I return from my journey, we will not find the couple which we have been so used to, the couple from Syria. And they were an excellent addition to this program. I'm sure the Arabs would have enjoyed their presence here, and there are questions which related to the current mind of the Arabs. What has been agitating their minds, they have been projecting. So I hope them a safe journey back home to Poland and many, many happy returns. With that, I take leave of you. Allah bless you, please.